angel eyes. Every day me pray one name, one God, one destiny. The road where me chat pan, one lane one. Now follow bad company. Although me growing a the ghetto, me a whole and a let go. In a life me choose my friends them wisely. Cause I one life me have, so me a gonna live it timely. God alone me put before me, I'm alone me give the glory. The race is not for the swift, for me a end there. Watch how you step, watch how you move, watch how you gamble, you know you will lose. Watch out your friends, them know who you choose. Some of them will sell you out for your one pair of shoes. Show me your friends, tell me who you are. Check your associate, know who you are.
Okay, man, I call you back, man. I call you back. Yeah, I call you back tomorrow, alright? Yeah. Come in.
Hey, good evening, man. What's up?
Yo,
Things.
just the man I want to see, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Have a sit, man. I have something to say to you, man.
Because I come from work, I'm tired.
Yeah, man. Channel. Yo, man. I meet this girl on Facebook, man. This girl is beautiful, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Her name is Samantha, man. Yeah, man. I got to get this girl, man.
Yeah.
You know?
You really serious?
Yes, man. I'm talking to her on Facebook, man.
Yeah.
I tell her my name is Prince Ardan, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to get her to Jamaica, man. I tell her I'm going to take her from her husband, you know?
Yeah?
Get her here and marry her. She
Man,
so like she has
that's
some
a crazy
money,
move,
too.
man.
Yeah, man.
Crazy move.
Hear what, man? This lady, she do movies.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So soon you soon be a movie star.
Yeah, man. So I got to get this girl, man. She's nice.
So,
yeah.
my friend,
Yeah.
most of these American women are like insecure. They will check up on your background and man, remember you have a past, man.
Yeah, man. What? Yeah, I'm a player, man. You know I'm a player, right?
You're a player.
Yeah, man. That's under the mat, man.
Under the mat.
Yeah, man. I can deal with that, man.
Well, my friend, I don't want to see you go locked up behind the bars, man. If the NRS is after you, man. You're a businessman and you're nice in Jamaica now.
Man. I got to get this girl, man. She's nice.
Yeah. So she's giving you a good vibe.
Yeah, man. She's giving me a good vibe. Her husband is not doing his job, man, so.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What do you
man.
think you can do?
Yeah,
sometimes it's so crazy, man. I'm telling you, some of these people are sometimes undercover, you know, man. I hope you're thinking about that and you check up on her background, eh?
Well, yeah, I think about that, man, but this girl is nice, man. This girl is nice.
Well, I can't stop a man's heart. If you think you're in love with this woman and she's giving you a good vibe, and you think that something can work out for you, man, all the best.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna link her, but I'll let you know what happened, man.
Yeah, man, let me know
Yeah,
what
man.
keep me posted.
Yeah.
Bless her.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I told her I'm from Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then move to England.
Yeah.
Now I'm in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm
Real businessman,
and I'm a
man.
businessman. Yeah, yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know what happened, man.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am,
This African boy keep on blowing up me on the phone, you know. Yeah, and I can't be dealing with it. He's getting so serious about being with me. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? I'm confused. My husband is a cause of all of this, you know, because if he was behaving himself, we wouldn't be seeking love and affection from next man. I know me have more than enough. I don't know what to do. I got this Jamaican gangster Gaza guy, King Kong, real bad boy, rude boy. I just love him style. But me know, you know, if me get involved with King Kong, you know, it's going to be problems. Plus him younger, me's an older woman. What you want from me? But it's just something about that the young boy did, Lord. I'm going to hell. I'm going to hell. But I can't help myself. Lord, deliver me, please. Please, deliver me from myself. Lord Jesus. We was doing so good for so many years, you know, me stop me lustful, sinful way, you know. I know. Me torn between two lovers, acting like a fool. Tarotted. What me I got to do? And Foxy, you know, she keep on telling me the prince. I mean, no gunfire about the prince. Because him kind of look shady to me, you know. But him show me so much love and emotion and attention. And that's what I'm craving for. Oh my God, what me I got to know? Me also not blow up my phone again, you know, the prince him. I ain't want me go to England now and send me first class ticket, British Airways to Rotten. How me can give that up? And want to put me in a nice luxury hotel and everything and spoil me. I said spoil me, oh. Oh Jesus, I beg. What am I gonna do? Lord Jesus. I don't know. King Kong, the prince. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the prince by his toe. If he allows, don't let him go.
Let me call my girl Sam. I ain't talked to her in a little minute. She ain't been keeping no contract with me or nothing. Let me call this heifer. So you been hanging out with the new guy. Where he from? England. How you meet him way up in England? Where he came from? So how did you meet him? At Universal Studios. Where? So what was you doing at Universal Studios without me? So you met him at the Blue Martini. Wow. I'm kind of jealous. My friend always asks me to go out and she ain't taking me with her. Wow. You liking him. I can tell because you haven't even hit your girl up and made sure your girl was straight or nothing. I was wondering what was going on. I said, let me call this chick and see what is going on with her. He been taking you out and giving you money. How much money he gave you? $500 for what? Just for being you? Well, girl, he's a keeper, sound like it. And if I was you, I'd keep him too. Because your husband, he ain't shit anyways. And he ain't treating you good at all. So, girl, go ahead and kick the boot with your knee. I don't blame you. You has been too good to that nigga. He ain't shit compared to what you telling me about this man. You always complain about your gas. You ain't got none in your car. And he ain't pay your bill. And he's always bitching when he's at home. And girl, you sound like you got you a winner. Go ahead, girl.
Hello? Hi, Foxy. What's going on? How's everything? How's your guy in Jamaica? He's alright. Yeah, he seems to be a nice guy, man. Yeah, stick with him. Well, honey, since me and you are best friend, I gotta pinch and tell you a little secret. Me have a man out there too, you know. Yes! Thai boy! I wouldn't even mention his age. I would go to hell now. The father would charge me. Me no care. No. Me like him. Yeah. Him have sense. He's more mature than this little idiot what me have, yeah. Eh? Look what this one put me through. Yeah. Me have the prince too in London. How you mean? That's what me do with me an international girl. Right. When I Jamaica, what I England, how you mean? The more the merrier. No, but I read there's just something about this one in Jamaica. I really like, you know. But the prince making it hard for me because he wants me to come to England and he wants me to settle down with him and everything. And right now my head is just twisted. My head is up my backside. I'm telling you. Yeah. So what about my husband? Yeah. What about my husband? I don't business. Foxy, you can ask me that with all of the things where him do me. In Foxy, you know and see what me go through with that sort of a huh? Right. Me not think about him, me not pre him right now. Right. Me a pre me Thai boy. And you know so me have a cop one too, you know. But me not really like police, you know. No, too much problem, too much work. Them always there work. No, me can't take the risk. It's not even safe being a cop. Yeah, but me and him just vibes, we're just friends. But this year one, yeah, in Jamaica, no love. Me offer sample that. But me can't breastfeed him. Hey, right. So, what's going on with you? You sound a little bit down. What's going on? You have something to tell me? Awa. You're not gonna say it yet. It's early days. Alright. Me hope you not breed for nobody now, you know. Foxy. Cause you don't have enough children already. There could be a possibility. You're only joking. Oh, you got me nervous. Alright then, darling. Me talk to you later. Yeah, because me I go up on road now. Me I go pick up Royal from school. He usually ride his bike, but today I said, you know what, I'm going to give him a break. Yeah. Me I go pick him up now. Yeah. Alright, me talk to you later. Alright.
Bumbleclad star, Jano. Like for me, that be good Monday. Like, Jano star. So drive me brain away. You hear that? Jano. Monday star from online on Facebook. Like from every sleep me I dream about her be. Matter of fact, you know me I go down and call her right now. You man the dog need her, hear that? Hello. How go on? How go on, Sammy? Me Sammy. The thing govern. Yeah man, and me man, King Kong man. See him look you got the way they talk to you per messenger one night. Yeah. So how go everything govern? You know see me nah lie still mama. From a meeting, you know, it's just like I can't stop think about you be you hear that. No, you're telling about your husband and this African prince or whatever, but me make you know so watching the mama. I made the money, you hear that? Tell me and tell you that straight. You know, if I see me, if I say John, no. Big woman, you know, me need her in my life. Although I know you're kind of older than me. What you say? No, you know, say, I don't really have no woman though. I really got no man. Me alone. You hear that? As well, me I say me know say you married already, you know what I mean? But tell you mama, you don't know the game guy already. You know man a gangster, you hear that? Man, and take care of see me. And every day me in the street I hustle. You hear that mama? They know me now make a shot and nothing. You know we are thugs in the street, you hear that? Gaza. Tell you. Fully bad every time. You hear that? What you say? You don't really like bad boy. Tell you man. As me and say mama, you know we're not that bad, just in the street can take care of yourself and take care of who they're around. You hear that if a boy ever wrong. Yeah man, but on a serious note, still know me want you to hear that. You know me a view to you.
Kind of understanding out here. I know to see what. Let me call Tyrone. What's up, Ty? Not much. I just thought I'd just, since I'm, I feel kind of bad. I mess with my best friend, and you know what I mean? I really kind of feel very bad about the situation. I understand when both is drunk and everything, you know what I mean? But from friend to friend, I should have never done nothing like that. But I'm going to tell you about Sam and how she met this guy in England. Yes, this new guy in England. When I say, she say he's so perfect. He's so perfect to the point. I don't know, you need to be acting right, but at the same time, you should be getting mad about nothing because look at how you done her. You mess with her best friend, and not just only me. I know you mess with other people too, though, Ty. Yes, she's messing with that new man in England and he's treating you better than her. Remember all those nights that you be not coming home? Sometimes you be creeping with me and sometimes you be creeping with whoever else. Yeah. But I hope she don't find out. Ty, that's my best friend, Ty. You gotta understand where I'm coming from. From woman to man. I did my best friend wrong. I feel so bad about this situation. It'll never work out between you and I. Period. Never. We can never be. We can't make this nothing, Ty. I can't. So what am I going to do about this, Ty? What do you mean? I can't take that back. I know I can't take that back. Period. All I can do is just start from here and let it be from here. But I really do regret it. And I really hope she don't find out about this situation. I really don't. I am so, I don't know if I'm going to go on hiding or not. But I am so hurt about the whole situation, by me being drunk and everything. And messing with my best friend.
Yeah, man. They say stop make you blush. Nah, make you blush. You must tell you the truth, though. Yeah, man. Love off the big woman, but love of what I see. You see me? That's why I get to know your person. You see me? So yes, so you feel about that? That could have gone. Tell you, man. You know we are bad people already. So you never take a trip to JA before. I'm telling you, if you do that sometime, man, for a link up or something, I hear that. Because the kid like you, you know, thing already. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man. You can take care of myself. You say you have picnic. How much picnic you have? Yeah. I'm telling you, old time people say. For you accept the cow, you have to accept the calf, don't you? I know about every time. I know I make crazy money on the street. You hear that? Crazy funds where I make money every time on the street, man. Where so what am I do? You know so me a hustler though. Yeah, man, a juggle, man. Yeah. always on the grinding. You hear that? Yeah, man, I don't know a thing, but. Alright then, mama, me chat to you, come and make you know the whole thoughts. Everything, you see me? Because to the game set right now, I'm gonna need you. You hear that? Alright then, Empress. Talk to you, come more. And as me saying, I remember, it's running the waste board, man. I made the man. You hear that? Yeah, man. Made the man. Alright, mama, look home more. You don't know star, the big man there. Do you even know?
Yeah, hello? Miss Sam? Yeah, this is Angela's King Kong wife. And right now, I understand, say, are you there with my man, old woman? Me why I love my man, I do what? And right now, me a breed, yeah? And me have a want to pick the money, pick the man tea, and it cannot work out. You understand, the little money where him a get. Worst thing me understand, say, him a bad man and them suffer there, yeah? But that not fear business, you understand? When me say to your woman, you understand? Whatever him a do, to get the money, you understand? Him a go give me for my pitney them, yeah. What you mean? What you talk about? Eh, you see me at girl, I look good, everything up for me right now. Yeah. Me want to love him, that makes it. Just leave my man alone, woman, and don't make my buck, you know. And I know where you live, you understand? I know where you live. Yeah. Alright.
What is your girl I said to me on the phone now? Hey, Papa Jesus. Let me hit redial. The girl gone mad. Hold on a minute. Hello? Angel eyes. I mean, Miss Sam, you try style? Listen, dirty girl. Huh? Do you know anything about me? You don't know nothing about me. If your man was happy, if King Kong was happy, he would not be riding me morning, noon and night. And you don't know where me live. Matter of fact, you have talk? Me there Jamaica now. What you say now? Me no busy say you find my name in your man phone. If my name in your man phone, it is a good reason. Cause you now do the work proper. You're pregnant? Well, that is your business. It has nothing to do with me if you're pregnant. That's between you and him. Right now, it might make me feel good. Me know say me a old girl to you. Me know. Yes, but let me tell you. Now watch the age, cause him now watch the age. Him a watch me body. And that him a watch. Right. Alright now, Angel, as you're not ready. Right. What me have with King Kong has nothing to do with you. A big people business. Mind your own business. Cause if he was happy, he wouldn't be with me. And right now, but look how I look now. You're calling me feel like a your man. Huh? If he was your man, you'd have him. You would have begged me and have blocked my phone for me to let go of him so you can have him. Let me tell you something. It's not what I mean, let him go. It's if you want to let me go. And right now, I'm squeeze tight on me, girl. Tight. Me suffocate. Right. So if you know what you know, no blow up my phone. But no foolishness. Right. Come in and fight over body. Right. King Kong ride. And that you feel know. Right. Me the business about that right now. Me in my feelings right now, King Kong make me feel good. Right. You know, say me married, you call my husband and tell my husband, let me tell you something. Call him. Call the son of a bitch. Right, because if he was acting right, me wouldn't get involved with King Kong. Right. You just think that King Kong be a deal with. Hey. Listen, girl, you don't know how to play the game. I've been around a whole lot longer than you. Right. May I have my fun and me not make you or anybody come in my way, including my husband. Right. Him just get what him deserve. Right. When you there street a tour, and I do stage show, he don't know where you're there. Right. After what me hears, he find my number in your phone. So go away, scatter girl from me. Right. You brought it on yourself. Eh? May I do you a favor? Right. Angel has been on no time for pass on the phone with you. Go find something for you. Sing a verse or a chorus. I want this, Father. Bye. Yeah, hello? Hi, baby. Hi, King Kong. What's up? You alright? Listen, me have to call you back. Me can't talk right now. No, my husband is not here. But me I got all a little fresh. So me look nice and cute for you. I want to talk to you about something, because right now I'm upset with you. Why? Me naked man, me had the towel wrapped round me. Me upset with you because the little skittle girl in your eyes call me and I cuss me out. Stink. Me's not the one, you know, King Kong tell you little beast. Me's not the one. Tell a man who shall talk to cause me a big woman for her in this game, yeah. She don't know nothing, she don't know nothing about me, she can't style me. You see me? Right. Cause if she thinks that you're a gangster, me a worse gangster, me a mafia. You understand? Right. What do you mean calm down? Me not calm down. And another thing, she said she a breed, she would child. Feel. You don't know nothing about that. What do you mean you don't know nothing about that? You never know nothing about that when you're saka in the bed. You don't know if they pick me or feel. First, you never know nothing about it. No, you don't know if the child is yours. Well, you better get a DNA test in it, mate. Because let me tell you something. She might give you a jacket and it look like this one might cut to fit. So no way I do. You know King Kong cause me is not the one. No mess with me, you know. You know much man want me right now. Me have a man where I run me down a prince, to be exact. An African prince, so. In England. Right, we want to send me first class ticket and everything. Right, put me in a hotel and everything. So no way I do cause you know, so me prefer you. What? Really? I mean your love. Listen, you see, uno man, uno use that word too loosely about love. What you know about love? You just born the other day. You could be my son. How about this? I mean, I'm no right getting mixed up with somebody like the likes of you. You little guys are you. How about this? Yeah, me like you, but don't know why. My husband must have turned me mad. Why me I run down, I have tie boy I run me down. Me lost me mind. A 4 time me marry you no Gaza. King Kong. A 4 time me marry you no, me must lose my mind to rot it. Well, you feel sorry for me. Don't feel sorry for me. Feel sorry for yourself. Because let me tell you, if that the girl the angel eyes are breed for you, don't call it off with me and you. You better pray say no your baby a jacket she give you. Right, come in it. Me don't want no headache, man. Because if that's the case, me might as well stay with the waste husband. Because the devil you know is better than the one you don't know. Eh? Me I give you a joke. Ain't not funny, ain't not funny. Anyway, me I go into the shower, man. Yeah. Me talk to you tomorrow because right now me pissed off with you and I even want to chat to you. Yeah. Alright, later, man. Me need your kid later. Talk to you. Bye.
Whoa, everybody. Yo, my life no set away still, you know, me I tell you. All this stress and this stress King Kong a put me through with all this woman, Miss Sam and them something there. Lord, I don't know, I'm not make nothing hold me down still, you know. A party me a go. You know, you will be any man say. Hello? Hey, Punsy girl, what going, girl? You don't know me there, you know me there, I try to hold it, you know. You know you want going, girl? You want King Kong put me through one heap of bag of something. Yeah. Give me bun with this woman named Miss Sammy. Hey, you want to see how she cock up and Imanara hug up and kiss up and all them something there, you know? Yo, my stomach feel a weird when me see it, you know? Yeah, girl. Oh my, I don't know, say, right now me a breed and all these things, you understand? Yeah, and worse, him not even bringing enough money when him for carry come give me for the picnic. You understand what me I say? Yeah. And the woman brighter come talk about look for me, oh me no shape good. Punchy, you know how my things set, you know, you know how my things set. Yeah, and a one man run me down and another two man run me down and you know that. Yeah. But you me a good girl, I'm say alright. I find a little man and I say me settle down and go and hold it. You understand? Yeah. But it don't, you know, me no know. Me no know if you say. Me no know if you say. Yeah. Anyway, girl, hurry up and come. You see me? Me there wait for you. Yeah. Of course, me go call him and talk about it. Me go talk to him about it because them something it now go on good. If want me and you beat him, why me no know me can manage the fighting thing right now when up okay? Me no know. But me gotta talk to him about it still, yeah. Alright. Yeah, girl, hurry up and come. About 9 o'clock me ready. Cool. When me out here, you don't know pool party, so me not for look good, me have to show somebody and thing. No, the baby I go well covered. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Alright. You, Mr. King Kong. Me just tired of him, you know. Me tired of him, man. Tired of you. If I don't want thing, I did that. Imagine say you not care enough money and you not do your manly role in the yard. You not help me wash clothes. You not help me sweep. You not help me cook. You not help me do nothing. Me alone. Just get up a morning time. Cook, wash, clean. And tear you just come in and eat food and gone. Sometimes you don't even know where food come from. You me tired of them something, yeah. You understand? So make me call you. Right on. Good girl like me. Take liberty. Hello? Yes, you Mr. King Kong. Yeah. No, listen, me not in a bag of talking. Right now, me not in a pretty talk to you, me not in a baby. Me not calling a boo-boo this morning. You don't deserve to name no boo-boo. Right now, what's something me want to do you. You understand? Yeah. So you never know, say, me search up in your phone. Look here, don't tell me nothing searching in your phone. Don't tell me that. You understand? Listen, me searching in your phone. Yeah. And me see you have a woman in there near Miss Sam. I go and bag of things. Yeah, and the position them and all these things. Yeah, and that's why you come and come blame me for things that I not do. Show him all my battery are done. Yo, listen. My battery are there, but me no business about that. Me I talk to you till it lock off. You understand? You have the woman, Miss Sam, and in a one heap of thing. And I call the woman and I talk to her. She all bright up herself with me and a face with me, you know. And them something I'm gone to. You understand? And look how long me there. I'm a good up body, nice clean skin. Yeah, I know you come breed me for your pin come mark up. Yo, you can get a DNA test anytime you want, master. Anytime you're ready. You understand? Because Murray them can't tell me say you are not the father. You understand? You were very much available when you didn't need my nice body. And right now, my belly skin are going to mark up on all these things. And my titty them long down like frog tail because of you. You see me? Yeah. Look here, just stop your argument and listen to me. You know, say people have it a talk. How comes you at the time when you say you're gonna work in something else you gonna do? You gonna check woman and me say you all mixed up in some bad man thing. Yeah. But the one thing me tell you, them not gonna kill you and left me alone for my the pitney, you know. You understand? So what you do? Just check yourself. You understand? Check yourself. Yeah. Can you do little construction work? You know, go and do your work, man. I'm bringing the little thing man forget. Sure. You make my throat out. Yo. I don't want to hold so much throat in a car. Look. Right now, later on, me I got a party. Yeah, Punky have our party, our pool party. Don't tell me nothing. If I did want to stay and you alone see my good body, you wouldn't behave yourself. Yeah. So right now, me I come out of the house. Me not stay in here. You need to fix up yourself. You need to leave that woman there alone. And me tell her I said I'll make my buck because I know where she live. And I go and give her a fine piece of beating. And make sure say me and you not gonna live good until you live that the woman there. Me and you have no good living until you leave that woman alone. Don't tell me if it upload up my voice. Don't tell me if it upload up my voice. Are you cause it? Yeah. Just fix up yourself. Fix up your life. And if you want a good woman in your life, and you want me, if you still want me, you have to come good. You have to stop cheat. You have to bring in more than $2,000 in the house. Yo, I'm battery. Yeah, you have to start bringing more money. Because I mean, say one tell us I don't want a $2,000 for a man. You understand? What day you come with the bright self and you put dollar on the money and come talk about see there. Angel, me I give you more than $2,000 come and put a dollar on it. Don't ramp with my future. You understand? And look how long you are trying to breed me. And it ain't a work out. Eh? Until me tell yourself go drink up your baba roots and them something there. Eh? I know it up me you just a run up and down and a go like you're an idiot. A good something this. A good something you got. So you better know yourself, else you go and lose it. Yeah. That me I tell you. Party me gone. Eh. Whatever.
Jano style. You know, I really want a big money. Really need her, you know. Jano. And DM slang and I made her. So like I said, please call me or she should have called me or something. I wonder how you really are going. I want to get serious with her in a way, but Davey really wants to find out my background and them think a certain way in the car. You know, the feds them kind of half of me in a way, see me? But, you know, I get her back a call and so she'll eat still. Get her back a call and so she'll eat. Hello, how go on, babes? How go on, Miss Sam? Yeah, man, and me, man, King Kong, man. How go on, baby? What you say? No, what you say? My woman call you in an argument with you. You don't understand that. She pregnant. Pregnant? What you talk about? No, man. No, man. Listen what happened. See Angel right now. See she now. Me can't really understand she and she want to say yo me and her in a relationship. You know what I mean? Regular she gone on tour B and you see me months me didn't even see her back. I just for the last 2 weeks she come back off a tour, you know. You see me? Yeah. I want you to know, me not even serious like that she tell she's pregnant. Me didn't even know if she's pregnant or not. You know what I mean? And right now when she dey on tour, me say she And man all a deal and all them something. Me I get picture with her and man and them something. You know what I mean? She a cheat for me. So right now I'm not too sure about if I'm my youth, you know, but right now are you me want hear that? Yeah man, are you more man. So what you know? I don't want to make sure you get in your head. I tell you about a thing. You see me? Matter of fact, I see her and give her a piece because I know she talk about pregnant and thing and she didn't tell me that. No man. That sounds strange to me. Alright then woman, hear what? I link you back.
What's up, Ty? No. This is the problem with me and you and what I have. See, what you don't know is I'm finna tell Sam everything that me and you got going on. Plus all the women that you mess with on the trail, OBT, tricking from A to Z, from back in your days. I know everything about you, every single story about you. But what I'm gonna tell you is about you got me pregnant, nigga. I have the whole test right here. If you want me to take it in front of you, I'll take it right here in front of you. No, I don't even know how I'm going to tell Sam this whole thing. But I'm going to have to tell Sam about this pregnancy test. I'm going to have to sit her down and let her know, like, if I was you, Ty, you should help me pay for this abortion. Oh, gosh, what am I going to do about this whole situation? Ty, there's nothing I can do about this whole situation. Like, I'm just gonna have to test. No, I need money. I need at least $600 for this abortion. $600. If you don't give me this $600, then Sam is gonna find out about this baby and everything. So what we gonna do about this whole thing? I'm like, I don't want to be pregnant from you. You're my best friend's husband. I already took a test. I threw it away, but I bought a brand new one for you and I to take together if you want me to. If you think I'm lying or anything, but I just need the money. I don't want this baby. If we could just do this, Sam won't know anything about nothing. Yes. Oh gosh, Ty. Please, Ty, you got to hurry up. The months is gonna go by fast if you don't hurry up. Like, hurry the fuck up. We don't have nothing else to do about nothing. Please.
Yes, my son. I don't even know what to do. And I gotta just tell you what's going on right now. Cause you know, walk with me and you step up and you know because him is a dog. Right. You don't know man stay already.
So I forgot.
So what you mean that's why I forgot? Me is your mother. Me's your mother. So you gonna take for him side over for me side? Listen, me I get up in that age now.
After 2 sides, I can play the same game.
The two sides. That's why me I do what me I do. Listen to what me I say now.
Okay.
So since he no one change in dirty style, right? Me I go change my ways now. Me I go flip the script. How about that? Cause
what you gonna do now?
well, between me and you, nobody said no, you know coming out. Your stepfather batter me.
My words don't travel.
Well, honey, me have a man. He's a prince, an African prince.
Oh yeah?
In England. And he wants a traditional wedding.
Traditional, I have to meet him first, what do you mean?
You mean? But a by choice. But here, this now, this now. Me have a little Gaza gangster, young Thai boy in a Jamaica. I mean, I want him.
What way she love the gangster them?
Can't help it. Can't help it. Me I feel this your Gaza boy, though, you know. Even over the prince.
Oh, Lord.
Even over the prince.
You must know what you do.
But you know what? Foxy keep on telling me, you know, that me should go with the prince. And
You see that one named Foxy, you have to remind yourself, you know. You have to take your time and watch and pre the thing there.
are you
You
serious?
have to pre the thing, man. Take your time and watch closely. Watch closer.
With her?
Because
You know something you not tell me?
Because our regular bifocals not gonna work.
Oh, what you said to
You
me?
need some scientific bifocals to work.
What is me? Tony, you know something that you're not telling me? Tell your mother.
I be advised not pick up.
What kind of advice you pick up from Foxy?
You need to watch yourself, my lad. You need to watch yourself, yeah, man.
So what you said to me now? We can't trust her?
Watch yourself for your belongings.
this Papa
You better travel with carry on much as a chicken bag.
You're too lie.
Alright.
Stop telling lie by me friend. I mean, but you know, log me no foxy.
Yo, cooks, me not lie.
Listen, at 8 years, me no foxy. You're not 8 years.
At what time mean when pum pum a rev?
How you mean?
Time not mean nothing at all, you know.
How we gonna say?
Not when pum pum a rev like vroom, VVS.
No, you're talking in a different language now. I'm not understanding now.
It's close now. You have to watch a thing, okay? If you, from the moment you feel that way, and it's an 8-year friendship you have, and you never felt that way before, you have to pay close attention now.
But me don't see nothing wrong with Foxy telling me to try and hook up with the prince.
Oh yeah? She had clear the path for her own way.
I want this, yeah, I said to.
You know
I don't know.
Okay.
You know what? What? She's supposed to come over here today, you know.
Watch the ride.
Me and I supposed to go catch man. What you talking about?
Catch which man? Who a catch man? You or she? You a catch man?
Must be her because we don't have my man already.
Set up for the fail up. That's what she's doing.
Set up for the fail up.
Okay.
I want this. All right then. So she want play me.
Them games not to play. Them games is for war.
This is serious. So what you say? Foxy has stabbed me in the back?
Yeah, man, what you mean? Straight.
How you know this? With who?
Intuition, what you mean?
With who?
Who you just talking
My
about?
husband?
Who then? If not him.
You like my own husband? Foxy, you do me that with my own husband?
Yeah, man, your husband or she, or if your boyfriend, not. If your boy toy that. What you mean?
What you said to me? That's why she's encouraging me to go to England to the prince. It makes sense.
Move you out to the playing field.
Move me out of the
Goal.
Watch me in her ass when she come. Me I act like me no know nothing when she come here tonight, you know.
You know, must.
And me I go find out what time clock I strike, and let me tell you something. It's not Big Ben. So what's up? You sounded a bit worried on the phone. You said you had to tell me something.
Just a little worried about something.
Little worried about what? Talk to me.
You gonna be mad at me if
I ain't gonna be mad. I ain't gonna be mad.
You gonna be mad.
I ain't gonna be
You ain't gonna be my
mad.
girl no more.
What's up? What's going on? What you gotta tell me? Let's hear this shit.
Well,
I want to hear this shit.
That me and Ty
You
have
and
a baby on the way.
you and Ty what?
Have a baby on the way.
No, I didn't hear you right.
Me and Ty is having a baby on the way.
Say it again.
Me and Ty is having a baby on the way. He ain't tell you about the pregnancy test. I let him know about everything. And I'm 3 months pregnant,
You 3 months pregnant
by the way,
with my husband's baby.
with your husband's baby.
Okay. This how we gonna do this here. This how we gonna do this here. No. Yep. There we go.
So what you wanna do?
Alright, come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Let's go. Come on, bitch. What you bitch? You my girl. You still my girl. Really? You know, just go on, Sam. Just go on. Let me give a shoot.
You gonna get mad.
Yeah,
I know you was gonna get mad. I let
How
you know.
could you do that
but
to
you
me?
going to jail. I'm calling the police.
What's it?
I'm about to
call the damn police. Call the damn police. Call the damn police. I want it.
Call the police. You going to jail
Eh?
for fighting on a pregnant woman.
Jail.
You going to jail.
I got nothing.
You
Me
going
get
to
my
jail.
bail money. Me not care. Me not care.
Look,
No girl can stand
no,
me.
it's over. I'm not your friend no more, too.
I should tear your rotted box.
Okay, that's good.
Take your stink ass house south down the lane.
That's okay.
Don't
Cause
call
Ty,
my number.
When I was drunk, he
Drunk?
got it. I didn't give
Drunk?
it to him.
Drunk.
Drunk.
Drunk. That's your excuse. Drink all the alcohol.
I'm gonna bring
Kiss
him
my
back.
ass.
You kiss mine.
I'm
too.
done.
I ain't your friend. no
Right
more.
here. Kiss it.
mine.
I got you, bitch.
So what you
I
gonna do
got
about
you.
it? What you
I
gonna do?
got you.
You need to get him
I
too.
got you.
But you need to
I
check
got
him.
you.
You gotta
No,
check him.
I don't gotta check nothing.
Check that nigga.
I'm checking
You gotta
you
check
because
him
you're
too.
my
I'm your
friend.
friend. And I let you know
No,
that he's your husband
you're my
too.
friend.
I know all that.
You're
but
my
he's your
friend.
husband too. If he was real with you, he would
You're
let
no
you
good.
know.
You couldn't go there.
And he ain't no good either because he your husband and he's messing with your best friend.
Yeah, and you went for it.
What kind of
I
fella
was
you
drunk.
me?
I told you.
Oh, please save it.
Okay,
I'm good.
that's good.
That's why I have my gangster man in a Jamaica and me have the prince in a England.
I didn't want your husband either. That's why I'm getting an abortion. I didn't want this baby.
Yeah, walking cemetery. Go on, do your abortion. Don't kill that child because of me.
I'm killing it because
Don't.
I still want to make and be friends with
Go
you.
on, no. You killed that baby, you'll never talk to me again. I'm pro-life. So why should the baby suffer because of your mistake and his mistake?
It was, I said I was drunk. Didn't I say I
Cemetery,
was
go
drunk?
on about your business. Go on.
That's why I told him I felt bad about this because you my friend and I cared about you and he came to my house unexpected while I was dead drunk.
Kiss Kitty KY minus plus. Me done.
Pinky in the area. Why? News flash. My son just called me. My big cousin just called me and tell me about the pasa with she and Foxy over the husband. And what is going on here? I gotta be a part of this mix up. Shit, I ain't got nothing to do. I'm bored. God, I look so good. I tell you, I'm adorable. Yes, me have a fight tonight. Because you know what? My cousin I play with Foxy, you know, before she stripped the girl naked and beat her senseless. No man, me and make my way over there now. And we are go around Foxy house and we are give her a good bus ass whooping. And that she need because Miss Sam just a play with her. Because I know, me don't pick up that the bitch get coffin, and the black dress for her to bury her night. Miss Sam a play. But imagine, for your husband, and me tell her, you know nothing married that little midget man. Me tell her, something about him not right. He's no good. And she not listen to the family and she go and marry him and look on that in cheap along with her best friend. I know the girl pregnant. Who this now, man? Who this now? I'm Sam. Hi, cuz, what's up? Me alright, man. Me have a stiff drink. And this I don't care what you say. We need to bust Foxy ass. I'm serious. Don't worry about that. Me have bill money, man. Me have bill money. Because you a joke with that girl there. So you never bust her ass properly. Me hear say you fight her. And you win the fight. But you never fight hard enough. Because when me finish with her this time, she not even remember her name, her mother name, grandfather name, grandpapa name. You hear me? Right. You know, but you should have get a girl in the acid and throw up on the girl. What's wrong with you? You get soft in your old age. And your husband at 20 an idiot. You what? You might give the African prince a chance or the Jamaican guards a gangster. No, but with them African, no. They are no good though. They lie. Don't believe them. All of them say them a prince. And they're nobody. Trust me. No, you can't trust them African man there. Where he come from? Nigeria. Oh, that was not even Ghana. Nigeria. Miss, I'm not bad with it. May I tell you, as your cousin, me might be younger than you, but we have more damn sense than you because what happened to you could have never happened to me. Right. What about the Gaza one? You know something like gangster. What about the gangster one? What name? You're kidding me. King Kong? King Kong with the ding dong? You're terrible, man. You're terrible. So you go yard? When? Next year. Clearer next year, we can come. Let's turn Jamaica up, man. King Kong must have a little brother. He must have a little brother. Because if he is King Kong, he must know some ape or some chimpanzee or some monkey out there for me. Right? Yeah, I have been drinking, so what? You need a good stiff drink too, right? I wouldn't tell you what else you need that stiff, mate. I don't want to be ice. A picky tattoo, you know, a picky tattoo, right? You're gonna come over. I'm gonna bring some. What you want to drink? What you want to drink? Champagne, okay. I may I bring a little rum, Jamaican overproof rum. Mix it with pineapple.
I'm gonna call Sam. I'm going through so much, and I haven't talked to my best friend ever since this situation. I hope she picks up. Please pick up. Hello, Sam. I know you don't want me calling your phone, and I know you're upset with me and everything, but I still look at you as my best friend. I made a mistake, okay? I slept with your husband. Yes, I did. And I got pregnant from him. And ever since then, I have been stressing because I lost my best friend due to this nonsense of me being drunk and letting your husband in. And he took advantage of everything, but at the same time, right now is not the time for all this. I've been stressing so much to the point that I think I'm going through a miscarriage, Sam. How do I know? It's because I've been bleeding since this past week, and it's been really heavy. I've been have to wear like 2 pads at a time. No, I haven't told anyone. That's why I'm telling you. So I was just wondering if you can just be that friend and just go to the hospital with me to make sure everything is okay or whatnot. So if you could just come pick me up and take me, that would be fine. Call the ambulance. I don't want to call the ambulance. If I call the ambulance, everybody is going to be in my business. I know, Sam, but please, if you can come and take me to the hospital, that will be fine. And I will really appreciate it if you can just do me just that one favor to help me out. So you're going to come? 30 minutes? You promise? Are you sure? Pinky swear?
I'm gonna call Agent Sunshine to let her know that we got the lead on Prince case.
I don't know who this could be calling me. Hello?
Yes, I got some information about Prince.
Hey, Detective Splits, how you doing? Yes. Sure, I can meet up with you. Where do you want to meet up at?
Yes, at the park.
That's fine. I'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Agent.
Well, it's interesting to know that you just gave me a call. I just got off the phone speaking to Miss Sam. And Miss Sam, she's very desperate to get this information she needs on this investigation. We all know that this is a serious case. This is a royal family, okay? And it's a lot of fortunes have been denied and claimed in this situation. I really want to know what's going on. I hope you got some good details to give me so I can call Miss Sam as soon as possible to get her the feedback on this update. What you got for me?
Make this fast and quick. I got the information right here. This is the Prince.
What do we have here? Prince Baba Hardono.
Yes.
Good.
The information that my detective gave me was, we know that he was involved in his mother case, Queen Kiki. We know that he wiped out her banking account.
Okay.
We know that he was in London, but he fled all the way to Africa.
Wow. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
I got agents I got agents already looking for him in Africa.
Okay.
We got a couple of people in custody on this murder trial.
Okay. Okay, from all the information that we have gathered and we just discussed, I think we're on to something. But I still find the case very suspicious. Why would Prince kill Queen Kiki? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my office and I'm going to do some research on Queen Kiki to see what I can find. In the meantime, I'll be keeping in touch with you to let you know anything, or if I find anything, and please be advised you do the same. Thank you for meeting with me, Detective Splits.
Yeah.
Got it. Hey Sam, this is Agent Sunshine. Get back in touch with you on that Baba Hardono murder case. Yes. Yes. Prince Baba Hardono was in fact involved, yet did not kill her. He staged it. Come to find out, Queen Kiki wasn't his biological mother, and that she murdered his biological mother, who was the maid. Her name was Miss Scarlett. King Baba Hardono and Miss Scarlett had an affair. Yes, Prince Baba Hardono was conceived. Well, research shows that we went back and checked Miss Baba Hardono's medical history, and it does state that she had surgery prior in her teens, which involves her not to be able to have kids. Yes, stating facts lead back to Miss Scarlett, who is the biological mother, gave birth to Prince Baba Hardono. Yes, shortly after that, she disappeared and was later murdered. And we also checked Miss Kiki Baba Hardono bank account, which has been cleaned out by her son, Baba Hardono. Yes. And Prince have fled London. They thinking he's somewhere located in Africa. Yes. I'll be sure to give you a call. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Is this the one they call Mrs. Sam? Miss Sam, this is Agent Biggs, IRS. I need your immediate attention. Yes, ma'am, are you familiar with a Prince?
Miss Sam, I need you to listen close. And forgive me, because my patois isn't what it should be.
Good, because we have information leaking at least 3 companies, including Miss Sam Entertainment, dummy corporations, money laundering, and the whole line.
You got 7 bumbleclart days to call me back with information on Prince Baba Hardono, or you'll be an accomplice to a federal crime. You hear me, Gail? So I'll be calling you back.
Mix up. Be a passa galang. I bet you when King Kong him don't know what one. Well, mercy. But tell him. Me have got to talk to him, because all nastiness come and help for me and see ya. Baga sitting. La. Hello, morning. Yeah, morning, Mr. King Kong. Oh, me sound so bright and happy today. Yeah, excitement to go on, so me happy. So me know you say you pack up your little old grip and the 2 pieces of old furniture where you have. Can't go down in your mother yard, go left. Yeah, and you don't know, so the little old lady don't even have space. Because the 10 grand penny them where she have down there. Yeah? She not have space to hold your couches. I mean, you say you pack up and well book into hotel. Waiting on your queen. Yes. Waiting on your queen, Miss Sam. And guess what happened? Pity you never know, say. The prince, yes, the same prince of England who come from Africa, moved to Jamaica. And the good thing about it is, right next door to it. So me like that. And guess what again? The one Miss Sam, she coming here to be with him. Yes, your lover. Oh, me know so much. Don't worry about oh, me know so much. And your best friend tell me. Because the man knows me a good woman. Me a good somebody to you. So he make sure tell me everything will go along. And you know go on good. You hear when they say, cow never know the use of them tail till them lose it. Now you know where water walk a pumpkin belly, you brutes, yo. And one thing you have to tell you, you know, the prince ain't mix up in a money laundering, fraud and all these things. Right now, I'm a fugitive over there. So you see, Miss Sam, she come go on and a app gonna come trace me. Yeah? Them soon catch up on them. I'm gonna tell you something, King. I'm gonna tell you this. You understand? Right now, between me and you, me, I go want one other man for water. This a baby head. Yeah. Because right now, I don't want to feel corrupt water. I don't want to feel scratch water in my body, boss. Oh, you use a salt? Yeah. You think a salt alone use salt? Eh? A salt mixed with pepper and some of my granny steel piece. And that's you get. Yeah. Don't worry about my face, Dennis. Like how you move out of your garden, you make sure you stay. You understand? Make sure so you stay where you don't come back to my yard. Master, no bother. The gate lock. Shop lock. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. Because I come from the office now, and I see an unknown number from Jamaica and I'm a King Kong. Let me play the message and see who I blow up my phone. I hope I'm not one of them waste man. Right.
Hey Mike, go ahead and pass me that file on that dude, King Kong something. Hello, yes, this is Mr. Scott from the Bureau. Give me a minute here to do this paperwork. Yes, I'm calling in regards to King Kong. Now, I've been in contact with the Jamaican government and it seems that there's an issue here. Some sort of scam that we really need to look into, and his name seems to be popping up a lot, which is what brings us to you. Now, we had missed you, so we're leaving this message, but we do hope to talk to you personally so we can solve this situation. So I would appreciate it if you got in contact with us right away. We need to find him, and I really hope that you're not aiding and abetting him. So please get back to us as quickly as possible so we don't take this any further and we find him. We really need to find him. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
What is really going on here now? Mr. Scott? It sounds like him a call from the police department. Say my King Kong a scammer. I want this, Papa Jesus. No. The devil is a liar. No. No. Let me call King Kong because this not sound right. I want this. Let me dial him. I want the rest this. No sign now. Go down like this. Right, let me hook it up. Hello? King Kong? I mean, man. Me stress out. What, you want to kill me? May I get message from a little man called Mr. Scott from the police department? Him a the commissioner. Yeah. Him said them I look for you because you is a con artist, you're a scammer. What? Is there something that you're doing that you're not telling me? Yeah, because I'm worried. And are you? Not really. You did have a twin brother. Yeah, me did hear about that. He died a couple of weeks ago, innit? He was doing most of the scamming. He was assisting. But them I look for both of them. What are you them want? I want this. Alright. May I figure out something and get back to you? May I get them off your trail? No, because I can't do without you. You know, so I love you. Me mad with you still, you know. Me mad with you about Angel Eyes. You better sort that situation out. Right. Calm your dog. Calm her down. Because he's not the one. Yeah. Alright. I'll talk to you, man. I'll come up with a plan. Yeah. Don't worry yourself. Alright then, darling. Bye.
Hey. What does it mean? Look much bundle one King Kong give me. And him not even know say this woman Miss Sam have a man over Africa, the Prince of Africa, now residing in England. So all of them sweet position there when I see him or somebody else, I get it. Go there. I want the prince dig out where she not have. Make him stay there so them stay now. Yeah. After you good to them and all these things, them a cheat on you. What go round must come back around. Story comes to bomb. Now is my time to smile. King Kong, you brute, you. Yeah, man.
Hello? Hi, this is Miss Sam calling from Florida. Can I speak to the commissioner, Mr. Scott? Yeah. It's important. I'm returning this call. He left a message on my voicemail about a King Kong. Yeah. All right. I'll hold. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Hello? Mr. Scott. Hi, how you doing? Miss Sam returning your call. Let me tell you something, sir. King Kong not in that. It was his twin brother. You sure he was a part of it? No, mistaken identity because them a twin. Yeah, they want company upon King Kong. The person you're looking for in the cemetery. Yes, in the cemetery, sir. Yeah. Dig up the body if you have to dig up the body and get the fingerprint then because you know have nothing to do with King Kong. Please leave him man alone. It have nothing to do with him. Dig up the body and do no forensic. It have nothing to do with King Kong. I promise. Right. And get back to me because you know make me nervous. And I just want to find somebody to pin the blame pan. I have nothing to do with King Kong. King Kong a good smarty. Him doing little construction work. Yeah. But him not, you know what, you are triple murder and scamming. No, you told lie. No. Me said dig up the body in the cemetery and get the fingerprint from the dead body. The dead body will speak to you. Right. What you mean? Me sound like a rough girl. Yes, me rough. What? You want a piece of this? All right. Call me back. All right. Thank you. Oh, Lord Jesus. Tired. Oh, Jesus. Let me see. Look at me have a message here. I wonder who are this in the early morning. This ratted phone. What go on here? Like my phone I want to unlock. But see ya. Let me have a message. Let me see which crosses are calling me now. Coming in this morning. Lord Jesus. It looks like there's a message from Mr. Scott. Let me call it. Where you want, Roy? I'm busy this morning. Me have a call. Me have to call back. Come on, go get ready for school, man.
Done.
Get ready for school. Me have an important call. Not everything me want you in there.
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done.
So go have some cereal. Because me not prepare for school late. Go on, man. Go on.
Get my phone now.
Get your bratted phone. Go on, man, and shut the door. I want this pammy this here man in here. I'm not pitney unruly. Let me call this here man here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, clear Jamaica, you know me now. How much money? All right. Yes, good morning. This is Miss Sam. Yeah, I'm calling from Florida. I see that I missed a call from Mr. Scott. He had something to tell me. He said it's important. Yeah. He sent me a message through text, ma'am. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Oh, Lord Jesus, I'm still tired. Hello? Mr. Scott. Hi. Miss Sam. Yeah, the one with King Kong. With the ding dong. Yeah. What you find out? I true me a talk. Me know what me tell you. You did dig up the dead body, let me tell you, and get the fingerprints of the corpse, Right. In fingerprints match. See they now? And that stress me out over my little piece of ding dong, man. How are this? Can I enjoy my life? Can I enjoy my life? Mr. Scott. No laughing, no funny. Right, because I don't want to lock up my little Thai boy. Me need my little Thai boy, you know. Me need my body need him. How you mean? I'm something else. Yeah, you can make joke I hate though, but I wasn't joking before. Yeah, so I'm in the clear. That's what I like to hear. Thanks, baby. Thanks, Mr. Kabisha dog. All right then. Thank you. Bye. My baby out of the clear. I'm out of the clear now. Yeah, because me soon go to Jamaica. But the prince try to trick me, you know. Because all this time he made me believe say him in England still. When now him in Jamaica. Something shady about that the prince there, you know. But Lord Jesus him show me so much love. Me don't know what to do now. I know both of them in Jamaica. Lord Jesus Christ. I don't want them buck up. Because it will be war in the arena. Anyway. 2 more days to go. And I'm out in Jamaica. Link up with both of my man them. Yeah. Me think say me I go tell King Kong say me I go come this Saturday. When me really I go down from the Thursday. And hook up with the prince first. Give him 2 days. And then me hook up with King Kong. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna play it.
You see it, you tell Angel Light to come off my name and stop calling my name, and she's still going to the woman and call my name. If I call the woman and clear up everything right now, because I'll be a fucking Angel Light talking. Hello. What going babes? Miss Sam? Yeah man, I King Kong man. Yeah I did. You know say I certainly go to my car to clear up with this still, because if you go to the Angel as a call you and I tell you a bag of thing about me, you know what I mean? I'm watching I want to make you know so you, me really want right now, because she come and tell me about she's pregnant, and I'm not too sure about it because I don't tell the situation already say yo, when she did on tour, bag of man and them things. So right now, if I go do a DNA test, you see me? Yeah, and I really appreciate it for you for me. You know what I mean? To clear up my name with all them police thing there. You see me? That's why I love it so. Because she wouldn't do that. She not gonna do that for me. You see me? You may appreciate everything when you do, man. You hear that? And the next thing she tell me about you have an African prince or whatever. Be me tell you already in a bit. Though ramp with me because you more. You know what I mean? I need it, and don't make me forget dark. You know what I mean? Because the African boy, me hear say him in a 1 bag of fuckery, 1 bag of fraud, and him want it. You see me? So you supposed to know what you want. Because I tell you say you me need right now. And if I forgot take me, if I forgot knock the African boy and dash me because of you, I forgot do it because need it. You hear that? You know what? No man. My whole team out, you know. You hear that? Say if you never ram, and you better don't ram neither. What? No man, I not body up, man. You hear that? I can know how serious I be. Because a different thing. Because that be here, just to get on top of my, just to get on top of my last nerves. You know what I mean? Yeah. Can't do it. Can't do it. So what you know? Tell you already. Just you for know for do that thing, you see me? Because you more. And again, thank you for clear up my name and them thing there, you know what I mean? Because for certain people they might even do that. You see me? Yeah. Alright then, Mama. I love you, hear that?
Hello? Hi, King Kong. Hi, baby. What's up? Why you sound like that? What you mean say you hear about me with a prince? A prince from Africa? Oh, I tell you them bag of lies. I bet you that skettle girl Angel Eyes. No, man, no go so. She'll try come between me and you. She'll try mash up for me dolly house and it now go so. You know, say me down with you. Yeah, me know a prince from Africa that was in London, yeah? Uh-huh. I know me here say me not Jamaica, yeah? But me not there with him. No, man. You mean a friend of the family. On what side of the family? On my father's side, man. On my father's side. I swear. Yeah. No, go so. Use my only prince. Me I tell you, man, me not play you. You can't, me I get mad, you know. Me think I use your head, true say you breed Angel Eyes. And you keep on denying say the baby is yours. I just have a funny feeling say the baby is yours, And then now you want to come turn it around but you hear story from the same little girl. Say, me have man. You know see the girl I use Sykes pan you, man? No, man, me down for the Gaza. How you mean? Me not Gaza too? Oh, please. I beg. No, man. Nobody with that, Nobody with that because my ticket done book already. Right. I'm here come out there now. Right. Me only have 3 days left before me come out. I mean, you can be together and everything. How you mean? Oh, please. Yeah. If I wasn't down for you, you think me would have lied to the commissioner and tell them to dig up your dead brother body in the cemetery if you get fingerprints, huh? Right. Look how me lie for you. Look how me put my name on the block for you. Please. And then y'all come tell me about next man. Please, go away with that. Please, don't make me and you have nothing, y'all King Kong. Because you know, so me love you like cook food. Use me, man. Me not no other man beside my husband. And you know, him not walk straight now, so me have to walk crooked now. That's how you end up in my life. Right. The prince is just a friend of the family. Come on, man. Family, man. I'm coming like family. Only you, Gaza. Only you. Yeah, y'all running my blood pressure, man. You must take it easy. I try to take it easy. Because you know, so me love you. Wow. And you're lucky anyway, so me chat to you. Because me a big woman for you. Right, you just like you could be my son. Me should be ashamed of my dirty self. I want this. Me just make the devil have a field day with me. But me can't help myself. Me just like his style. Me weak for you, man. Me weak for your smile. Every time you smile, my heart just go boop boop. Boop boop. I want this. Yeah. 3 days. 3 days, honey. That's all it's going to take. 3 days. And I'm going to be in your arms and everything. I love it. I'm going to teach you some tricks and trades, boy. You better hold on for the ride. Because Angel Eyes don't have nothing on me. She a young girl. She don't know nothing yet. You see, when me finish massage you down and make your body feel right. And you see, when me hold you and put in certain position. And me I put you on a leash for real. Me I travel with me leash. Me not joke. You into bandage? Because we're going to tie up your backside. Right. So you don't get wet from me. How you mean? Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to behave myself. Anyway, I've got to go. Me I go out with the girls there. My pinky birthday. And we have to wear a pink wig. Yeah, because you know, so I don't really wear a wig no more. Yeah, pinky birthday and we have to wear a wig. Pink wig. Yeah, so that's why me have a little piece of pink wig, yeah. It suit me though, me like it. Me will be myself. We got strip club, how you mean? We're going to the strip club. See all them toy boys there. Make them strip off them clothes for me, yeah? Me ever gonna be myself, man. Well, at least try. Alright, I love you. Bye.
Man, I just got off the phone with Jocelyn. Man, you know what? It's been a long little minute, like 3 days, 4 days now. And Sunshine haven't called me. I sent her a big package. I know she got this big package. I sent her. I know she's busy working and she got all these cases and she got everything. But I know she got this package. She haven't even called me. Fuck that. I'm finna call her.
Whew. Had a long weekend this weekend. Back to work I go. I got so much paperwork I got to do. Hello? Hey Foxy, how you doing? I haven't heard from you in years. Yes, it has been a long time. What you mean? Yes, actually, I'm just now getting to work. I'm just now pulling up. What you got for me? Okay. Well, I'm about to check my mail to see if I got anything from you. Yes. Okay. All right, thank you, Foxy. All right. Bye-bye. Dear Agent Sunshine, this is Foxy reaching out to you. I have some very important information, but please be advised, I know that there's a cash reward on Prince. I know y'all been trying to crack down, trying to find his whereabouts. Well, he is in Kingston, Jamaica. Not only do I have that information, I also have a lead on King Kong. I know you know that he's been wanted for some time now. Well, he's also located in Kingston, Jamaica. He's wanted by police in Jamaica for scamming people out of money. Be advised, I wrote you this letter because coming by your office, it would have put me at risk. I know that I'm in a predicament where I am in a dangerous bind if any of these guys know that I am out to let you know where they are located. This is your friend truly, Foxy. I will be getting in contact with you later on to talk about my reward. You have a blessed day.
I'm bored. Ain't nothing going on. I'm like, I need to go for a drink or something. Go out and hang out. Something. Oh, shit. Sunshine calling me back. It took her mighty long damn time. Let's see what she wants now. Hello?
Hello, Foxy. Yes, this is Agent Sunshine returning your call. Yes, this is a serious situation, and I couldn't wait for you to call me. I had to reach out to you. Listen, I'm going to have a couple of agents to come pick you up and put you in protective custody until we have these guys. Yes, and I need you to do everything that my agent tell you to do for your safety. And yes, it is a reward, but after we have these guys in custody, I will be glad to reach out to you. And I thank you so much, Foxy, for this information. You've done us well. Yes. Bye-bye.
Man. Prince hard to find. I got all my boys in Africa looking for your ass. You know where to be found in Africa. We've been all over Africa. Damn, where the fuck you at?
The meeting was canceled, Candace. What's going on? Okay, all right. Well, let me call Detective Splits and let him know what's going on with this Prince and King Kong case.
Agent Sunshine, let's see what she got for me. Hey, Agent Sunshine, what you got for me?
Hello, Detective Splits. How you doing? Yes, actually, I was on my way to a meeting, but the meeting was canceled, so what would be a better time for me to reach out to you and give you the updates on the lead on Prince? Yes, please be advised, Prince is not located in Africa. No, I've done my resources. I guess he's 10 steps ahead of us. No, listen to me. He is located in Kingston, Jamaica. I actually went and did my researches, and yes, he is located in Kingston due to the fact that he last used his debit card at a corner store. Yes, so he should probably still be hanging around in that area thinking we don't know and thinking he's still in Africa.
So you saying Prince in Jamaica, Kingston? Okay, I'm finna get my boys on it right now. We're gonna handle that for you.
Information that Foxy provided was well. She even gave us information on the lead.
Oh, okay, Foxy. Oh, she trying to get that reward money, huh? So you saying
On King Kong, I know you all have been looking for him as well. Yes, she said he is also located in Kingston, Jamaica. But please be advised, like I said, the information that Foxy provided was well. She even gave us information on the lead on
another lead? King Kong? What these two motherfuckers doing? In Jamaica Palace and shit?
My God, I was thinking the same thing. But you know, we do have her in protective custody until this case is blown over. I must tell you that I did do a little researching on King Kong. King Kong has to be laying low because I couldn't find anything on him. But with the other information that Foxy gave us, I'm going to risk a chance of believing that she knows what she's talking about. Yes.
You ain't got to worry about it. I'm finna get my boys on it right now. We're finna go handle that for you. And then I'll get back in touch with you.
Thank you so much. And she's going to be okay. Like I said, she's fine. I got her protective custody until all this blows over. And after everything is situated and we have them in custody, I will be getting in touch with Foxy with her $10,000 reward.
Bet.
Yes. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
But man, I just want to check up on you. Yeah. Yeah, man. I find out say little lady there's a player for you, brother.
Oh, that Samantha?
Yeah, man.
How are you, Samantha?
Yo, me I tell you, say, it's a player. Yeah, man. Never could cause me name Angel Eyes.
Yeah.
See, I want to know she tell me, say, she and King Kong a deal.
King Kong?
Yeah.
What is King Kong now? Because watch you know. My girl that's still in our area. You see me? So watch you know. Any little King Kong, a fling flang, you know.
Eh?
You understand? Because watch you, we are gangster boy, you know.
I want to take me serious, brother.
Where does King Kong come from?
This King Kong is a Gaza man,
How you say, man? How we respond to the whole of the gully, you know? Any Gaza boy did, you know, we are going to make we dance and run out from out of the gully, you know.
Yo,
you understand?
Yo, me I tell yourself, watch yourself, you know, brother. Them brother, they eat people food like a dog, you know, brother.
Yeah, so man, you don't know we, man. You don't know for background how it's done already.
Yeah, that tell you say.
We can't make rain fall, boy.
Since they get caught up on them things again now, one little woman and all that.
Jano, if we lose the fight, we can't lose the war still, like a female girl that, you know. You see what I deal with?
Why your head's over heel over a woman, man.
It's right now, star. And that's the thing there, you know, if it means gunshot, we must gunshot, I got bust in a car. A Gaza them say, I will run the gully. It's what me I deal with. So some boy have got to take for themselves, you know. It's what me I deal with.
Yo, me tell you, I tell you say something not right about that thing.
Right now, yeah, Mr. Fletcher. Right now, cheap, I don't think say that in the dark. I hear me now. I feel me girl that, you know. So here we go on out there. But just when you just locate the boy there, make we deal with them case proper.
So you say, I say that them people.
Yeah, man, I way ask some man 2 phone call and you don't know a thing going on.
And I level you take it on.
Right, that's the thing there, you know.
Yeah.
Right, that's the thing there. Because right now, for me girl, you know. See me? And watch out, we're not girl fool, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
I will run the place.
Yeah.
What you mean?
What you mean?
Shit.
I'm paranoid as fuck, man. Shit. I just got a call from Jamaica from one of my friends, and she just told me that it was a fight downtown. She seen it on the news, and it was by the name of 2 guys by the name of King Kong and Prince and shit, man. I'm paranoid as fuck right now. Like, I really don't know what the fuck to do, but right now, even though they dead and shit, I want to know if I can still be able to get my ward for this shit here. I'm about to call Sunshine up. She said she wanted them dead or alive. Let me call her up.
Hey, baby, you doing what? Wait a minute, wait.
I'm got to sleep. Oh, God, I needed that little rest. 20 minutes calls. Who's been trying to call me? Oh, my ringer is off. God, I'm just trying to enjoy my vacation. Oh, I need all the rest I can get with the case. Just got me so tied up right now. Make sure I turn my phone on so just in case somebody call me back, I hear it. I'm just tired, Lord. Oh, I just want to sleep. God. Hello?
Hello. Hey, Miss Agency Sunshine. Yes, this is Foxy. Man, I just got that call from my friend in Jamaica. She told me that them 2 guys that you've been looking for, they has been killed. She seen it on the news last night, and man, I want to know if you still gonna be able to give me that ward. I need for you to be able to check that out, because you told me that they was wanted dead or alive, and that you was gonna give me my reward. So let me know when you check back in, or when yes. No, I need my reward. They dead, of course. So, but I mean, I still let y'all know what them niggas was. Y'all should be able to give me my reward. What you mean? You'll get back with me. On the money that you say you was gonna get.
I know you want your reward, Foxy, but you have to understand, I did say dead or alive. Now, you do know a dead man can't talk. Yeah, so with that being said, I have to get in touch with my manager to see how this work with this situation, because not only one, but both are dead. Prince and King Kong, are you sure?
Man, I need my money. You gotta check in with your manager over me. What you mean? This ain't how this go. I found these niggas, yeah, they dead, and they was wanted dead or alive, so I need my damn money. Damn, what you talking about? I need them. I need them $10,000 rewards you've been telling me about this murder. What you mean?
I appreciate you for that, Foxy. That's why I put you in protective custody. Now I've done right by you. Just hear me out. Just give me some time to check with my manager. Yes, you can come out of office. I'm not going to be in town for the next few days.
Damn. Seems like everybody got skeletons in the closet. When you gonna tell them about me and you? When you gonna come out? You ready, baby?
Hello? Who this?
Oh, Sunshine. Yeah, how you doing? You got some what? Disturbing news for me? Am I sitting down? No. What happened? You found out from some sources that my man King Kong and my man Prince got into a big fight. Really? They're both dead. God, no. I can't
Call her Nancy, let her know all about Sam boyfriend's thing got killed. She need to pick up her phone so I can let her know all about this. I'm so happy. Girl, you finally answered your phone. How you been doing? Well, girl, let me tell you about this. Remember the little situation about Sam and I? Well, girl, guess what? Both of her men is dead now, and I am so happy. But that's what she get anyways, because I'm still sleeping with her husband, and I'm going to continue to sleep with her husband, and I'm happy I'm sleeping with her husband since she want to be like that. I got her. Yes. I'm going to continue to sleep with her husband with her nasty self. Since she's so nasty, I'm going to be nasty right along with her. Period. No. I ain't had sad. No. I'm not sad at all. Period. At all.
All right, Sam. Man, let's sit down and talk about this shit.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Now, do you see why Sam run this shit?
Yeah.
Do you see why Sam is the top agent? Man, that's why they call her boss. How was Sam able to befriend Prince on Facebook? Not only that, she befriended King Kong on Facebook. Then she got into their messenger and started drawing them into her. Just drawing them into it. And all of a sudden, she got both of them located in Kingston, Jamaica. She said she wanted them dead or alive.
We don't talk to that. Boss thought she was going to get me 10 G.
Let me tell you about this bitch, man. I can go all the way back to college on her. Man, me and her used to go to school together. Yeah, man. Bitch always been grinding. I can't name a day she ever showed loyalty. Man, she always out to get people. That's all she knew. So you know what I'm saying? So I get a snitch letter from you. Out of all people, Fox is the one sent the snitch letter. Out of all these people walking around here, I'm looking at you like, okay, how the hell you know what we got going on? You know what I'm saying? But I went along with it, put her ass in protective custody, so she wouldn't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? You got to think ahead, you got to think like it. So when she thought she was finna come in and get that 10 G dog, took her ass down. No more Fox. Let me tell you what she done. Man, this girl from EBT, food stamp, anything you name, she have done it. She's fraud. I mean, left and right.
So you telling me she fraud?
Yeah, she's so goddamn shit, fraud. So I had to take the knowledge to go do some research on her ass. That's how I got the evidence on what she done. So when she came in to get that money, looking all paranoid and shit, had her ass. Man, we some hell of a damn detectives, ain't we?
Right.
Shit, but we got to get it out of Sam, because if it weren't for Sam, this shit wouldn't have been possible.
Yeah, Sam a bad motherfucker.
Hey, yeah.
Angel eyes. Every day me pray one name, one God, one destiny. The road where me chat pan, one lane one. Now follow bad company. Although me growing a the ghetto, me a whole and a let go. In a life me choose my friends them wisely. Cause I one life me have, so me I gonna live it timely. God alone me put before me, him alone me give the glory. The race is not for the swift, for me I end down. Watch how you step, watch how you move, watch how you gamble, you know you will lose. Watch out your friends, them know who you choose. Some of them will sell your out for your one pair of shoes. Show me your friends, tell me who you are. Check your associate, know who you are. In a life, if you want to be a star, you have to lead out, don't follow back on now. In a life, me choose my friends, them wisely. Cause I one life me have, so me I gonna live it timely. God alone me put before me, him alone me give the glory. The race is not for the swift, for me I end down. Them say